So for the past year, I've been editing course trailers for creators who want a short video to concisely and clearly show the value of their course. And in this video, I want to show you the exact structure that I've put together to create winning course trailers every single time. I use this exact script structure with all of my clients, and it seems to work out and create amazing trailers that make people go, yeah, I really want that course right after I'm done with them. So let's dive in. It's a 6-part framework and it's pretty simple to follow. You can even follow this framework and wind up creating your own script within an afternoon if you follow it all the way through. Let me show you what the whole framework is right now. Like everything that you write, like a YouTube video, anything, the first thing you always start out with is a hook. So the goal here is to use something that is going to speak to a misconception that they have, speak to something that they didn't know about the course, speak to some problem that they're having, and really try to get their attention and their interest right off the bat. You only have a few seconds to do this, so you want to find the things that are most resonating with them to create that hook. Next, what you want to do is explain who you are. So if they don't know who you are because you're not some big creator, that's the next most important thing that you want to show off is you want to hook them in and then almost immediately tell them who you are. And then the next section after that is why you're teaching this course. Why should they be listening to you around this subject? Do you have a lot of experience in it? Have you solved this problem for yourself? There's so many reasons why you might be teaching a course, but you always want to go hook. So you're essentially introducing them to the course. And then you want to say, this is who I am. And this is why I'm teaching this, because then you're going to keep it held for a little bit longer so that they know that you're a credible source. Then you want to show them and tell them what they're going to actually learn. What are they going to take away from the course? What's the transformation that they can expect from being in the course, going through it, being in your community, using your product, anything like that? You want to show them what they're going to learn and the transformation that they're going to have. And while you're doing that, right after you say those things, you're going to want to actually show off some of the course. So maybe that is pulling out quotes from the course. Maybe it's showing off some of the playbooks that you have, some of the text. You want to show off the actual course, because the thing that sucks is when you're looking at purchasing a course, but you are unsure whether the course is actually quality. So you want to show, not tell. By showing, you're actually giving them an insight into what the quality of the actual course is going to be. And if you're unsure about doing that, then you might want to think about how quality your course actually is and then build there before building a trailer. But you want to show all of that off because you've put so much work and effort into this course already that why wouldn't you want to show off exactly what they're going to get and show all of that value so that you can just tease it for them, make them want it a little bit more. It all opens more loops for them to think about, oh my gosh, this course will 100% solve my problem. So once you're done with that, this is when you sign off with a call to action where you're like, I wanted you in the course, come to the next cohort, I look forward to seeing you. So that's pretty much what you do. You start off with a hook, you go into who you are, why you're teaching it, and then you tell them what they're going to learn. You show them what they're going to learn. You maybe sprinkle in some testimonials here and there. I always recommend that because it's good copywriting. It's good social proof in general. You want to show them that just because you've done this course in the past and you know all this information, there's other people that are actually finding success from it. And then you want to sign off with actually some excitement and having them in the actual course. So this is my basic script structure for every trailer that I create, whether it's for a service or a product or a course. Take this script structure and build your own. If you want to know more about how I build scripts, there's a guide down below around how I put together all of my trailers. Just hit the link, type your email in and download it, and it's completely free. It's the exact process I go through with all of my clients, and you can find out how you can build your own trailer for your own course within an afternoon. Now, YouTube thinks that you should watch this video next, so hit that and I'll see you there.